In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom filters in WP Travel Engine, a process that can significantly enhance the user experience on your travel website. This feature allows your users to refine their searches effectively, finding exactly what they're looking for more efficiently. First, you'll want to begin by logging into your WordPress dashboard. This is the control center for your website where you can manage all aspects of your site. Once you're logged in, we can start setting up the custom filters. Navigate to the WP Travel Engine settings. To do this, look for the WP Travel Engine option in the menu, then select Settings, and go on to choose Search Filters. This is where we will configure our custom filters. Once you're in the Search Filters section, scroll down until you find either the Custom Filters section or the Advanced Filters section. This is an important step, as this is where you'll be adding the filters that meet your specific needs. Now click on Add New Filter. This is where the magic begins as you start customizing the filter options for your website. Enter the necessary details for the new filter. You'll need to start by choosing a filter name. This could be something like trip type or destination, based on what you'd like to allow users to filter by. Next, decide on the filter type. This is a crucial decision that determines how the filter will be presented to your users. You have options like a drop-down, checkbox, or a range selector, among others. Choose the one that best fits the type of search criteria you're offering. After you've set up your filter, you can assign it to specific trips or categories. This step ensures that your filters are only applied where relevant, keeping your search results clean and accurate for users. Once everything is set up to your liking, it's time to save your work. Click on Save Changes to ensure that your new filter is stored permanently. Now that your filter is created and saved, the final step involves integrating it into your actual web page. You can do this using a shortcode or a widget. For instance, you could use the shortcode WP Travel Engine Search filter to easily drop your new filter into the desired page or post on your site. That's it. You've successfully added a custom filter to your WP Travel Engine. This new functionality should make navigating your travel website much smoother for users, helping them find what they need with minimal hassle. Remember, the more intuitive your filters, the better the user experience. So, take some time to consider what types of filters would be most beneficial based on the types of trips you are offering. Thank you for following along.